Ancient meteorite impact in India. An ancient geologic cataclysm may have struck the Bronze Age Harappan civilization, and their rulers would have absolutely had no way to know of this disaster beforehand. Around 2000 BCE, what was not a flood or volcanic eruption, but instead a small asteroid weighing 819,000 metric tons suddenly entered Earth's atmosphere. This asteroid had originated in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, and had a dense iron-nickel composition, meaning it represented a fragment of a core from a much larger asteroid. This iron-nickel meteorite likely had a slightly oblong shape, measuring 59.3 meters or 194.6 feet wide. After this large mass of rock entered the Earth's atmosphere, a bright streak of light impact event effects became visible at an altitude of 120 kilometers. However, 8.5 seconds later the heat of entry caused the meteor to start breaking up, before impacting the surface 1.5 seconds later. This impact generated a powerful explosion equivalent in energy to the detonation of 16.2 megatons of TNT. As this occurs, and the ground shakes in a manner equivalent to a magnitude 5.4 earthquake, a several thousand km/h shockwave expands outwards in all directions. Less than 20 seconds later, a powerful shockwave kills everything in a 6-kilometer radius. Decreasing in intensity, any structures within 9 kilometers would have completely collapsed, while all trees would have been toppled facing outwards from the blast to a distance of 15 kilometers, with further minor tree damage occurring to a distance of 25 kilometers. Within minutes, an initially 496-meter deep impact crater largely filled with sediment, forming what is today known as Luna Crater. Today, due to significant subsequent infilling by sediments, Luna Crater only is 2 meters or 6.6 feet deep. However, it is still quite massive, being larger than Arizona's Meteor Crater, and measuring 1,753 meters or 5,751 feet wide. Despite being suspected as an impact crater for 2 decades, it took until 2024 to prove that Luna Crater was indeed an impact crater. So, is Luna Crater truly the largest confirmed impact structure to have formed on Earth, and is Luna Crater the largest? The last 100,000 years like some articles are claiming? Not exactly. Instead, while Luna Crater would rank in the top 10 as number 4, 3 lesser-known impact structures are actually larger than it. These larger young craters are the 1,777-meter-wide Shuyan Crater in China, the 1,846-meter-wide Yilin Crater in China, and the 1,940-meter-wide Tenumur Crater in Mauritania.